Welcome back to the channel, and this is my 1999 25 horsepower two-stroke Mercury, and what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be doing a prop replacement. So this is the original prop that came with this motor back in 1999, and it's had a bit of a hard life. As you can see here, there's all bits and dings and stuff like that. It doesn't show up that great on camera, but this might. This is a big gouge that's occurred when the previous anode actually fell through. The bolt was loose and it basically landed in the prop, and as you can see here, there's a bit of damage and stuff like that. So this prop, oh, see, look, that's all bent and warped. This is the prop that I've done all those high-speed videos with. So, you know, 45 to 47 kilometers an hour. That was all done with this prop. So my plan now is to change this prop with this stainless steel one that I bought recently. So I'm going to basically unbolt it, whack the other one on, make sure it's all nice and tight, and basically give the motor a quick run, because I haven't done that for a while, and therefore it should be ready for my next time that I can go out, and which I'll do a comparison between what it was running like before, what it's running like with the stainless steel prop on it, and if I get a new top end speed, or if it's the same, or if it's actually less. Anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing now, is taking that prop off and putting it on. So the prop is on now. The only downside is that I didn't have the foresight to order the right locking nut. So I just assumed that I could use the one off the old prop, which is basically a piece of nylon plastic kind of thing. Looking up where I bought the prop from, I found the correct kit. So I've ordered that right now, and it will be shipping in the next few days. Once that comes, I'll feel very confident about taking the boat out for a quick spin to see what kind of improvements, or not, that this prop makes. At the end of the day, I wanted just to replace it for something like a stainless steel, because I do use the boat infrequently now, because I do have those other options, but I also really liked the look of a stainless steel, and having this motor for so long, I really wanted to upgrade it any way possible, because I do enjoy using it. And I do feel that even if I had replaced it with a standard aluminium prop, the fact that the blades wouldn't be warped, I'm sure I'll get a mile or two, a kilometre or two I should say, out of it anyway. So we'll see how that happens. We'll just wait and see when the nut actually comes, and then the next video you see on this motor will be me taking it out and giving it a good old-fashioned crack. All right, don't forget to jump on board and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can check out that next video when I do take this motor out and see what the comparisons between the old damaged prop and the new stainless steel are. All right, I'm Peter from RRF Boating, and I'll catch you in the next one.